Imagine turning on TV or scrolling through social media. We see the same exact pattern where men are dominated and as for women is nurturing and passive. These images are not random. They are rooted in the stereotypes that have long existed in our cultures. But what if the media could break these molds instead of reinforcing them? My name is Anna Ota, and today I want to share insight from gender and development, studies that have deepened my understanding of this issue. JAD teaches us that these stereotypes aren't just superficial, they reflected they reflect historical power imbalance that shape everything from our identities to our life, and they are harmful to all of us. So media and advertising greatly influence how we see ourselves and each other in commercial. We still see women as caregivers or caring for children and do all the work at home, while man is hold the leadership, driving the cars, being a superhero, and this portray may seem harmless, but they have a real effect. From GAD perspective, this image trace back to traditional gender rules where men held power and women had limited choices. This imbalance persists when the media pushes outdated ideas about the men and women should be like. Studies show that constant exposure to these stereotypes can affect our self-esteem and even influence our career paths. Girls who grow seeing women in stereotypical roles may discourage from pursuing leadership, while boys might feel pressured to hide emotion to seem strong. Studies show that the gender stereotypes can have profound and enduring effect on adults. In a recent study, 54% of women aged 35 and over stated that stereotypes played a role in their choices. Regarding caregiving duties in their families, 38% of men in the identical age bracket reported the same thing. This distinction highlights the tendency for stereotypes to unfairly place a higher burden on women to assume caregiving responsibilities, influencing their decision in both personal and professional realms for many years to come. Additionally, an increasing number of individuals are advocating for change, with 46% believing the government from intervene to combat gender stereotyping in media and culture. The endorsement of government intervention indicate that individual acknowledge the necessities for wider social change to overcome the restriction imposed by the stereotypes. And by questioning this belief, both a person level and on broader scope, we can begin to establish a community where caregiving, leading, and assertion are accessible to all regardless of their gender. So my call to action is use your voice in platforms, whether it's social media, conversation with your friend, or even company feedback to advocate for inclusive representation, tag brands, and media creators when you see stereotypes and politely call for change. Let's make it clear that audience want and value adversity. So that is all. Thank you for listening.